Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about the slight versus severe weather today, and about some temperatures too, and other things about severe weather too. Alright, we can see we got slight versus severe weather for today in Texas, a margin risk in New Mexico. We can see Texas too, a margin risk in West Virginia, Virginia, Kentucky. We can see in New York and some of the New England states. We can see also on here too, guys. Alright, we can see our hail risk we got on here. We got a 15% hail risk for Texas. We can see on here what significant one. That means we could have a more hail, like a larger hail potentially. We can see then a 5% hail risk for Arizona, New Mexico, Texas. Then 5% hail risk for Kentucky, West Virginia, Maryland, PA, New Jersey, and some of the New England states. We can see on here two guys on here also. So yeah. Also, we have a less than 2% tornado risk in all areas we can see on here. Then our wind risk for today we can see also is we can see a 5% wind risk in Texas, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland. We can see also on here New Jersey and some of the New England states we can see on here, in Virginia too, and Kentucky. So let's move on to our radar projections for today, everyone. Starting in Texas around 2 or 3 p.m. we can see we got some storms maybe in Texas. We can see also on here too. You can see for parts of like the looks like western Texas, we got some rain, maybe Colorado, snow in the Colorado Mountains, and some rain in Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee. Maybe we can see also on here too, guys. We can see. Then we can see 4 p.m. in Texas. We can see on here. We got storms in Texas. We can see also on here too, guys. We can see for the northern part of Texas, southern Texas. We can see also rain in Nebraska. We can see also in Colorado on here too. And some rain maybe in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. You can see also too on here, guys. And rain in Arkansas too. Alright, 5 p.m. we can see got some maybe storms we can see in Texas, but we can see maybe some storms in Kentucky too, but it's just a typical thunderstorm risk. But we can see some rain in Louisiana, maybe potential typical thunderstorm risk storms we can see. And we got some rain maybe in Colorado too, Nebraska. You can see on here too, guys. Wednesday, 6 p.m. we can see also got some storms in Texas. We can see more in like places like northern Texas, southern Texas. We can see also on here. Rain in Colorado, Nebraska too. South Dakota, rain in North Dakota maybe too. We got Wednesday, 7 p.m. we can see on here, everybody. We got some rain in Texas. We can see rain in Colorado too, rain in Tennessee maybe too. So let's move on to our east region, since we can see our margin risk over here in West Virginia. We got some storms. We can see PA, Maryland. We can see also on here too. Rain in Ohio, PA also. We can see on for Wednesday at 7 p.m. everyone. We can see also on here. And maybe a storm in Tennessee. We can see also too, guys. 8 p.m. we can see we got some storms in PA, Maryland. We can see Virginia, West Virginia. See rain in PA, rain in Ohio. We can see also rain in North Carolina, rain in Virginia. We can see also on here too, guys. You can see and rain in Ohio too. Then Wednesday, 9 p.m. we got storms in West Virginia. We can see Maryland also on here too. We can see PA too, guys. We can see rain in Ohio too. We can see maybe rain in some storms in the south. We can have storms in Louisiana. We can see also maybe too. Then we can see 10 p.m. also on here. We got some maybe storms in New Jersey, some storms maybe in Pennsylvania, rain in West Virginia, rain in Ohio, rain in Kentucky, rain in North Carolina, maybe some scattered rain in Georgia, Mississippi. We can see Louisiana too. Maybe in some rain in Ohio. And looks like by 1 a.m. it's just mostly rain everywhere, like Virginia, New Jersey. We can see Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, and maybe some rain in Mississippi. We can see also. So let's move on to our temperatures. We're going to be for today. We're going to see some spots, and we're going to look at that. So let's get to that. Alright, so we're going to talk about temperatures today. We can see this is Wednesday at 3 p.m. We can see we got 50s in Ohio. What parts of PA we got 70s, and other parts of Ohio we got 70s too. But in North Carolina we have 96 degrees. We can see also 50s in Wisconsin. We can see like a quick cold snap. We can see for up there in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Michigan, Ohio, Illinois, Indiana. We can see Michigan in the 40s, New York in the 70s. We can see Maryland in the 90s and 80s, and New Jersey. We can see also. Then we can see by 8 p.m. the cold air starts sinking down south from Canada. See, you got 50s in Ohio, 50s in PA, 50s in New York, 40s in Michigan, 50s in Wisconsin, 50s in Illinois, 60s in Minnesota, 60s in Iowa. We can see 60s in Illinois, 50s in parts of Illinois. We can see 40s in Michigan. We can see also New York, we're in the 50s, PA, we're in the 70s, some of the like places like New Jersey, we could be in the 70s, Maryland, we're in the 70s. The New England states, we could be in the 70s too. We can see in some of the Maine, like we can have 70s and 50s in some spots. We can see also South Carolina 80s, North Carolina 80s, Virginia 80s too. We can see. All right, 10 p.m. we can see for Wednesday night. We can see we got 40s in Michigan, 40s in Wisconsin, 50s in Ohio, 50s in PA. We can see 50s in New York. We can see 50s in some of the New England states, 60s in Maine. We can see 70s in New Jersey, Maryland, we're in the 70s. Virginia, we're in the 70s. North Carolina, we're in the 80s. South Carolina, and we're in the 80s too also. We see some of these places like Minnesota, we're in the 50s. 50s in Iowa, and 50s in Wisconsin, we can see. All right, then Thursday at 2 a.m., looks like in Michigan Peninsula, we get freezing temperatures we can see for Thursday at 2 a.m. 30s in Michigan, we can see 40s in Ohio, 40s in PA, we can see also 40s in Wisconsin, but 40s in Minnesota. I'm gonna give you guys an idea what like this is probably gonna be like one of our last cold snaps this spring. I'm gonna be honest with you, like this. It just looks like there's a lot of warm air coming. This after there's people who like warm air out there, or people who don't like warm air or like cold air, vice versa. Don't like it. So we can see 40s in Minnesota, 50s in Iowa at 2 a.m., 40s in Maine. We can see. Then we can see 4 a.m. in Michigan. We can see we have 35 in parts of Michigan, 38 we can see. 40s in Ohio, 40s in PA. Illinois, we're in the 40s. Indiana, we're in the 50s. Minnesota, we're in the 40s. Michigan Peninsula, we can even have some 20s too. We can see Maine, we're in the 40s, 40s in the New England states. We can see also 60s in Missouri, 60s in Arkansas, 60s in Kentucky. See also on here too, guys. Then 6 a.m. we can see we got 29 in Michigan Peninsula, 30s in Michigan, 30s in Wisconsin. We can see again 40s in Illinois, 50s in Indiana, 40s in Ohio, 40s in PA. We can see 40s in New York, and maybe some 30s too. Then we can see our warmer air starts to return again, guys. For Thursday afternoon, we can see got 60s in Indiana, 60s in Ohio. Then we got maybe another chilly night, and I'm going to show you how below average we're going to get for Wednesday night we can see. So let's get into that, guys. All right, this is how below average we're going to be for Wednesday. We can see places like Iowa, we're going to be 11 degrees below average, 11 degrees in Missouri, but we have 20 degrees above average in New Jersey. We can see Maine also. Ohio, we got 8 to 9 degrees below average in parts like the northern parts of Ohio. 13 degrees below normal in Michigan, 15 degrees below normal in upper Michigan. We can see it was 12 degrees below normal in Wisconsin. 8 to 7, about 8 to 10 degrees below normal in Illinois. We can see 11 degrees. We can see also on here. Then we can see Wednesday 2 p.m. we got about 14 degrees below average in Ohio. You can see 9 degrees below average in PA. Another part of PA we have 9 degrees below average, but 20 degrees above average on the other side of PA. You can see 10 degrees below average in Missouri, 9 degrees below average in Iowa, 10 degrees below average in Wisconsin, 9 degrees below average in Minnesota, about 15 degrees below average in Michigan. We can see also Maine, we're about 18 degrees above average. You can see in 20 degrees above average in some spots. We can see also in Virginia, we're about 20 degrees above average too, some spots. All right, so you see at 5 p.m. we got 14 degrees below average in Iowa, 16 degrees below average in Michigan. We can see 6 degrees below normal in New York, 8 degrees below normal in PA. We can see 6 degrees below normal in Kentucky. We can see Wisconsin about 9 degrees below normal. You'll see 5 degrees below normal in Minnesota. We'll see Michigan Peninsula 15 degrees below normal. Wednesday 8 p.m. we can see 14 degrees below normal. We can see 11 degrees below normal in Illinois, 12 degrees below normal in Indiana, 17 degrees below normal in Michigan. We can see in some spots. Then 13 degrees below normal in Wisconsin. We can see also on here too, guys. And 11, at our parts of PA, we got 11 degrees below normal. We can see in some spots. Then we can see Thursday at 5 a.m. everyone. We got 10 degrees below normal in Ohio, 11 degrees, 12 degrees below normal in Illinois, 13 degrees below normal in Michigan. We can see 11 degrees below normal in Wisconsin. We can see also in New York, parts of New York, we have 10 degrees below normal too. Alright, 11 degrees up for Thursday morning. We can see we have 10 degrees below normal in some spots, 10 degrees below normal in Michigan. Iowa, about 12 to 15 degrees below normal. You can see also. But it looks like after Friday, we still got some, for Friday, we could still have some below average temperatures in some spots like Iowa, 15 degrees below normal. We can see 8 degrees below normal too. 5 degrees below normal, we can see 7 degrees below normal in Maine. We can see in Virginia about 13 degrees below normal too. Also, West Virginia about a few degrees below normal and maybe 2 degrees above average in Kentucky. You see also on here too, guys. Then it looks like maybe Saturday we can have some below average temperatures in PA at 2 p.m. We can see about 22 degrees below average, 21, but this can change a bit before then. Also, guys, so yeah, hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys, I see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.